Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Thinking of owning your own home? Why not consider Ewarton St. Catherine as your area of choice? Here you can enjoy all the conveniences and amenities of the city, but in a much laid back and relaxed atmosphere, surrounded by the natural beauty of the area, a cooler climate, and the luxury of partaking in fresh food directly from your own land, which is well fruited. The house is move-in ready, consisting of 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living and dining room, 2 kitchens, veranda, and carport. It can easily be utilized as a two-family home or as a potential income earner. The land area of this house is approximately 10,401 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 25 million or US $162.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.